Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got part 10 of my bonus video on my D-Stash giveaway series. I have gone through my collection. I have pulled polishes that are not getting any love and I'm going to rehome them to people that are interested. So if you are interested in joining my giveaway, you need to be a subscriber to my channel, 18 years or older, or have your parents' permission, live in the United States so that I can ship them to you, and leave me a comment down below so that I know you're interested. And that really is it. Now all of these polishes have been swatched on swatch sticks, and for the swatch dots, some of them may have been worn by me, but many of them have not. As you can see, I got this one for 25 cents at Walmart. Are you kidding? So, these are all the Wet n Wild Wild Shine polishes. I've got 3 that are in the newer shaped bottles, and then I've got 5 that are from the old bottles. So, this one is called Yo Soy. The silver is Metallica. This yellow is Oops! Then we've got Caribbean Frost, Sunny Side Up, Poppy, Dreamy Poppy. This beautiful purple is Eggplant Frost, and then this red is Red Rogue. So if you are interested in giving these polishes a place to live and interested in them, just leave me a comment down below and I will be getting in touch with the winner of this giveaway. And that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.